with exercise 4.2. First question. Which of the following is true and why? Y is equals to 3x plus 5 has, we have to find how many solutions it has. See, it is a linear equation in two variables. 3x minus y plus 5 equals to 0. So it has infinitely many solutions. Option is C. Write 4 solutions for 2x plus y equals to 7. See, we'll first form a table x and y. 4 solutions. So what we'll do is, first we'll substitute x equals to 0. So what we'll get is, we'll write everything putting x equals to 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus, so y is 7. Now we'll substitute y as 0. So we'll put as y as 0. What we'll get is 2x plus 0 is equals to 7. So x is equals to 7 upon 2. We'll write here. Now if we substitute y as 2, 2x plus 2 equals 7. We substitute 1. So 2x is equals to 6. So x is equals to 3. 3 comma 1. Now if we substitute y equals 3, 2x plus 3 equals to 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So x is equals to 2. So 2 comma 3. These are the 4 solutions of this equation. Now pi x plus y is equals to 9. So if we put x equals to 0, so 0 plus y equals to 9, therefore y is equals to 9. So first solution is 0 comma 9. If we put x is equals to 1, what we'll get is pi plus y is equals to 9, therefore y is equals to 9 minus pi. So our next solution is 1 comma 9 minus pi. If we put y equals 0, so pi x is equals to 9, so x will be 9 over pi. So our next solution is 9 upon pi comma 0. Next, if we put y is equals to 2, so 2 pi plus y is equals to 9, therefore y is equals to 9 minus 2 pi. I'm again and again repeating, you have to show these solutions over here. So x is equals to 4y. Now we have to find 4 solutions. So x and y, 2, 3, 4. If we put x is equals to 0, therefore y is equals to 0. So one solution is 0 comma 0. If we put y is equals to 1, so x is equals to 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 comma 1. 4 and 1. Similarly, y is equals to 2. Therefore, x is equals to 8. So 8 comma 2. This is the multiple of 4. And if we multiply 3, so 3 4s are 12. So next solution is 12 comma 3. Next, check which of the following are the solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now we will satisfy the equation. If it satisfies, then it is a solution. X is minus 2y is equals to 4. So LHS first we will solve. 0 minus 2 into 2. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4, which is not equal to RHS. Therefore, it is not a solution. Second, we will check for 2 comma 0. 2 minus 2 into 0. So it is 2. So therefore, this is also not equal to RHS. Now 4 comma 0. 4 minus. So it is equals to 4, which is equals to, therefore 3 is a solution of this equation. Next, we also will check if we can be multiple choice questions. So 2 into 4 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 is minus 7 root 2, which is not equal to RHS. And 1 comma 1. 1 minus 2 into 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1, which is not equal to RHS. Therefore, third part is our answer. Find k if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y is equals to k. Now we will, if this is a solution, it will have to be satisfied by the equation. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equals to k. It will substitute. If we substitute, this will find out to be k. So 4 plus 3 is equals to k. Therefore 7 is equals to k. Our answer is k is equals to 7. Now we have to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables. See, linear equation, we have to find two variables. It is of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Since degree is 1, because the power is 1, polynomial equations geometrical representation is a straight line. whether this, like this, or any straight line, it should be a straight line. So we have to draw it on the graph paper. I draw on the paper only, but you have to draw it on the graph paper. Given 1, 2, find the equation of the line on which it lies. See, here 1, 2 point is given. Many infinite lines can be given, because from 1, 2 infinite lines can pass through. So if we have to find the equation of the line, we will find, so x is 1 and y is 2. So if we find equation 2x minus y equals to 0, see, it will set 1, 2 is satisfying the equation. Therefore 2x minus 1 is equals to is the equation of the line on which it lies. How many such lines can be equations are there? Infinite equations are there. Draw the graph of x plus y is equals to 7. When we have to draw the graph, first we'll find at least 3 or 4 solutions for the equation, then we'll draw the graph for it. If x is equals to 0, y is equals to 7. If y is equals to 0, x is equals to 7. If y is 1, x is 6. And if y is 6, x is 1. You have to show these working. Now we'll draw the graph over here. 2, 4, 6, 8. You can take any scale of your choice. 2, 4, 6. Here also minus 2, minus 4, 8, y, y dash, x, x dash. You have to write the scale as well. 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units. See, 0, 7. 0, 7 will lie over here. 7, 0. 7, 0 will be lying over here. So, if we'll draw a line, this is the graph of the equation x plus y is equals to 7. We'll label it 7, 0, 0, 7, 6, 1 will be here, and 1, 6 is here. And we have to write the x plus y is equals to 7. Next question. You know that force applied on a body is directly proportional to acceleration. See, F is directly proportional to acceleration. If we'll remove the directly proportional sign, we can write F is equals to Ka, where K is any constant. Since constant is not given, we can substitute any constant over here. If we'll write F is equals to 3a. So, y is equals to 3x. Now, if finding the solutions, x is equals to 1, y is 3, x is 2, 6, and 0 is 0. So if we'll draw a graph of this equation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, y, y dash, x, x dash. So 1, 3, 2, 6, and 0, 0. So your graph will look like this. You can label it y is equals to 3x. We have to write the scale as well. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Thank you.